this is CTOBOB, and today we'll be looking at the new iPad Pro released in November 2018. So what we've got here is we've got the iPad Pro. This is a 256 gigabit, and it's the 12.9 inch edition Wi-Fi. We've got along with it a smart keyboard folio, and this is basically going to protect for transportation as well as be used as a keyboard, and you've got two different layers that you can or levels that you can put. And as well, we'll be looking at the brand new pencil. So let's go ahead and open these up. Let's start, of course, with the iPad. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use a knife here for speed. And there we go. So this is what we get out of the box. Nice little tab. As you can tell, it is quite thin. And inside the box, apart from the iPad, let's take a quick look. We've got the charger. We have the brand new wire. This replaces the Lightning port, and this is basically USB-C. Alright, let's put these aside, and the rest is a little bit of documentation. So let's go ahead and take the wrapping off of it. So here we go. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the iPad Pro Smart Keyboard. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. And when you buy one of these, make sure that you get the one that is sized for your iPad, naturally. And again, really nice tab. I want to take it out of the plastic. And so this is a keyboard. And basically the iPad can be out like this. So it looks like a laptop. And when you're done with it, see, there's two different degrees, and when you're done with it, you can go ahead and you got a nice carrying case to go with it. Last but not least is the pencil. I'm going to go ahead and open this. And again, there's a nice little tab to open up the pencil. And there's the pencil. Take the wrap off, put this aside, and the pencil basically magnetically connects to the upper side of it. This will not only charge the pencil, but it will also connect. So if you want to go ahead and connect to it, you just plop it on top and it will sync up with the iPad. So we'll go ahead and set this up and play with it, and we'll let you know how it compares to our old iPad Air 2 that we were previously using. Thanks for watching.